My people, what's up? It's your boy, I am that I am FX again. Last week we had a break even week, which is normal, it's okay. So, my strategy is the best strategy. I don't know whose strategy is better than mine. Let's get into the trades and see what we have for this week. Peace. I just entered a position, and this is why I entered the trade. So, London just took out Friday's high or Friday's New York high. So I had two bearish candles and then I took my trade. So let's see how it plays out. Our TP 1:2. So we are done for the day. We made about $50 on the 5K account, and also I took out 50% on the 10K account to leave the rest running to hit this previous Friday's New York low. So let's see if price smashes that low or price takes us out at break even. So price took us out at break even. Let's go again tomorrow. Peace out. The trade that we had in the morning, right? I made a mistake. I didn't follow my rule, so I just had to, redo it. So in the morning, when price took out the New York high, the Friday's New York high, we had an entry and then it went well, right? But then price had to reach 50% for me to take half of my position off my 10K account. So when you look over here on my 10K account, I had some profit on it. We took some profit on it. We took half of the position on it and then put it at break even. But price didn't reach 50%. I didn't even notice. So since that happened, I tend to take the next trade, okay? Because if I didn't take 50% of that account, I would have been stopped out, right? So when today's New York session took out the London high, I decided to go in because that was supposed to be the trade that I was supposed to take, because the first one would have been stopped out. So when New York took out London, I had my confirmation, this engulfing candle, and then I jumped into the trade. So price reached 50% of the Friday's New York low and then the recent structure, right? That's this New York high. So it reached 50%, and then now I took half of the position. I think it was running about $60, right? So I took half of the position, which was $30. Okay, so today we made about $53.9 on the 10K account. While we're looking out for price to go all the way here to take out this New York low. Yeah, what's up guys? So I just entered a trade, and the reason why I took this trade is because London just took out yesterday's low. As I'm taking this trade, yesterday's trade, it's running at break even. See yesterday's trade running about $32, and then today's trade that we just entered. Let's see how it plays out. Price is currently running wild toward our TP and then the 50%. So let's see what comes up. Price literally took us out after running in about 1.23 hour. So let's see if we get another opportunity. I just entered another trade. Price just took out yesterday's low. This trade is still running though. Yeah, so let's see how it plays out. Price is running aggressively Yeah, guys, so price smashed our TP for 1:2 on my 5k account. So let's see if price would be able to go to 50%. The trade we just took at 1:2, I was supposed to get $50, but I had only $45. Reasons being known to only the markets. So we had one loss, one win. We are up. So on the 10k account, I was supposed to take 50% off, but there was a news flash, and the news flash almost hit the 50%. It was around there. So I went to the trading platform to close half of the buying position. We had 2 positions running. Then instead of closing the position for the buy trade, half of the position for the buy trade, I ended up closing half of the position for the sell trade. So when I realized it was too late, I came back to close half of the position for the buy trade, and then price just took us out. So I was about to close half of it around break even. So price took us out at half. Yeah, so you can see it over here. This was the one that I closed at break even, almost at break even. And then this was the half. This was the half that was taken out at the stop loss. And then this was what I closed for the sell position, half of the sell position. It's crazy, Charlie. It's crazy. So let's see if we get another trade for the 10k account. I will enter. I just took this trade on the 10k account only, and this trade that was running, the trade we took on Monday, I closed it at this zone because price was almost at our TP, and this zone seemed very dangerous. Let's see if price gets to 50% in between Monday's New York high and then this very New York low. That's today's New York low. So let's see how it plays out. Peace. Wednesday morning, this is how the last trade we took yesterday on the 10k account is running. It's reached half a pip to the 50%, so I closed out 50% of the position, and then I'm letting the other 50% run. So I just took this trade right now because New York session just spiked into London's high, so I'm looking for price to fall. This trade, when we took 50% off and we put it at break even, price took it out at break even, so we are off this trade. We hit SL on this trade and price just gave us another opportunity, so I just entered this right here on this engulfing candle. Then I'm targeting this lows. Yeah, so let's see how it plays out, whether price takes us out or price goes in our favor. Price just hit our stop loss. I don't think we will have another trade for today, so let's go again tomorrow. I just took this trade because price took out a New York high. Let's see what comes up. Peace. I just got stopped out. Yeah, so let's see if we'll get another entry. We took another trade before the CPI, but then the CPI took us out because the news was bad for the currency, so Euro USD had to fly up. I have 2 losses today. Let's see if we will have another trade and then we close for the day. But I just had another entry. Price took out London high, and then I had my confirmations to sell, so Let's see how it goes. As you can see, we've had 2 losses today, and then there's the trade I just took. So let's go. Yesterday's trade, it's went about 1:1.5 hour, and then it started returning this morning. But then during the CPI, I had this trade also. New York price took out London's high. Then I had my confirmation to sell, and during the CPI, price went down for about 1:2 something. Yeah, but then my network was a little bit iffy. So when my network came back, price had already gone up. But then I have a feeling it will drop again. So I'm still holding these 2 trades. So let's see how it goes. Price took us out. So we just had this trade, and there's a news flash coming soon, so let's see if it goes in our favor. Unfortunately, we got stopped out again. The trade that we had on Thursday just got taken out. If it hadn't been this mistake that came up when the news flash came and then my network went off, I wouldn't have entered any trade again for the day. But then it is what it is. It's all good. So let's see if we get another opportunity. Yeah guys, so I just took the last trade. I'm selling now, so let's see how it plays out. This is the last trade for the day, and then for the week our SL got taken. Let's go again next week. I'm trained for this, so it's normal. Peace out.